What is up, guys, and welcome back to the DocMack car channel. Today what I'm going to do is a review on the Meguiar's Endurance Tire Shine Gel. Now, I did a review on this approximately 4 years ago, but now they've got their new formula. Now, I do trust this product, but I've not used it for the past 4 years, so I'm going to give it a new test and we'll see how it does. Now, they do say that it's a long lasting and a high gloss shine, and let's put it to the test. Now, before I get started, I do post a lot of car how-to DIY videos, including how you can fix your own vehicle and also how you can polish and shine up your own vehicle. So please make sure to check out those videos and also subscribe to show your support and turn on your post notifications so that you will not miss any videos that I post. Now, without further ado, let's get into this. Alright guys, so the first thing you need is a sponge. This is a Meguiar's applicator pad. You can just use a sponge if you'd like. Any pad will do, it doesn't have to be Meguiar's. So now what we're going to do first is we're going to give it a good shake. Alright, so as you can see, the viscosity is quite thin compared to what it used to be. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of product on here, and then we're going to apply it on. Alright guys, so now because the viscosity is quite thin, I'm going to only apply a little bit first and apply it from time to time. And what you're actually doing is you are priming the pad right now. So what I mean by priming the pad is when you are putting the product on here and the product is getting soaked on, the next application which you do on the following wheel will be actually less because you got more product on the applicator pad as you go. Alright, so this whole thing should be enough for the wheel. And you want to make sure that you get into all these little nooks and crannies, including this little bit here. Okay guys, so as you can see, the product does apply very well and it's got a good shine to it. However, if you do like more shine to it, you can actually add more and do another application. And as you can see, when you do the next wheel, you'll have to use less product because you got more product on here now. Now, what I would strongly suggest that you do is to use the sponge like I did, the sponge or applicator pad, because what that does, it evenly spreads the product and it prevents tire shine sling. So what a tire shine sling is when there's excess product on the tire, as you drive it'll sling and it'll get onto your bodywork. So if you apply it with a pad, you will not get any tire sling on your bodywork. So this is a better view of how good the product is. And let me go to the front wheel as well, which I've done. And that's how good the product is. And this is just with one full coat. So I hope that has been a useful and informative video. Please consider subscribing to my channel and viewing my other videos.